Crypto was truly dead. I had friends, my own mother asked if we still had a job. I was like, hey, you're going to still have a job after this? Whereas this happened, and the average person, whether they have a little bit of Bitcoin, Ethereum.
And so I want to clarify this because I've seen a lot of people talk about it. There was not a failure of blockchain tech. There was not a failure of a project. There was not a failure of anything like that. The failure was all a centralized issue that Binance did for essentially cutting corners in their system. It was a flawed thing on the centralized side of Binance's servers, or backend, whatever we want to call it. And so that was it. I saw a lot of people saying, oh, does this hurt blockchain tech's reputation? No, it wasn't a blockchain tech issue. When you look at what happened here and you see that Bitcoin had a $20 billion liquidation event, the largest one it's ever seen, worse than all these other ones combined and several times over, and then you go and you look at the Bitcoin price on the chart, what do you see? Despite having that, the crash nowhere near resembled all those other events that we talked about. You go and you look at it, and Bitcoin held. I mean, let's just look at this on the chart here. Bitcoin held above its prior all-time highs. We can zoom out to this. It held above its prior all-time highs. It held the higher low. It held the 200-day moving average. It held this consolidation range. It held the anchored VWAP from the tariff flows. It held all the significant support levels and bounced off of them and immediately jetpacked back to the upside 50%, erased half of it. So what I would say is, despite seeing the largest liquidation event in history and all these crazy things that could have happened, the crypto market immediately rebounded 50%, and we held all of our critical support levels. And I think the one word to describe it is resilience.